In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list to QuickBooks Online from an Excel file. Whether you're transitioning customer data for the first time or simply updating records, this process is user-friendly and efficient. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to sign into your account, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. You should see a sign-in button, click on it. Next, you'll have to choose QuickBooks Online from the options presented on the screen. This step ensures that you're accessing the correct platform for your data management needs. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll need to provide your credentials. Enter your email and password, then click Continue to log into your account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is kept secure and updated to protect your data. Now that you're logged in, it's time to prepare for the import. Navigate to the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From here, you'll see a menu option titled Import Data. Click on this to start importing your customer information. With the Import Data page open, you'll now specify the type of data you're importing. In this case, select Customers as the record type. This selection is crucial as it tells QuickBooks Online to expect customer-related data. Next up, click on the Import button. You'll be prompted to upload your Excel file, but make sure it is saved as a CSV file first. Navigate through your computer files to locate the CSV file that contains your customer list. Select it and hit Open. If your file isn't in the CSV format, take a moment to convert it to ensure compatibility with QuickBooks. After uploading the file, we move on to one of the most important steps, mapping. Mapping allows QuickBooks to correctly align the fields in your CSV file with the fields available in your QuickBooks Online account. Check each field from your file and match them with the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This step might take some time, so it's essential to be thorough to prevent any future discrepancies. Once you're satisfied with your mappings and everything looks in order, go ahead and click the final Import button. QuickBooks Online will now process your file and begin the import. In just a few moments, you'll have successfully uploaded your customer list to QuickBooks Online. Remember, it's always good to double check a few entries to ensure everything uploaded correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Feel free to share this video with others who may find it useful, and don't hesitate to reach out if you encounter any issues. Happy bookkeeping!